Alright, so welcome to another video. In this video I will be machining a heart out of aluminium on my home-built CNC. And just before we get started, I want to say that I learned a lot from this project, and I learned a lot of things that I will not repeat in the future. For example, how I clamp the stock material. This one ended up being, I just clamped at one end, and as the material got thinner, you will see me stacking nuts and washers to try and build some sort of support for it. And in the end, I have to cancel the job just before it's finished because it just started vibrating too much. But it was a fun process, and I hope you enjoy it as well. So let's get going. So this is the design. Nothing too complex, but nice little heart. So I've created a toolpath for it here in Fusion 360, and we can check that everything looks good. It's going to remove quite a bit of material before it gets to the actual model, but alright, that all looks good, so let's head over to the CNC and get milling. Here we are at the CNC, and as you can see, I've already set everything up, and I also did a facing operation on this piece of stock here yesterday, so it's all ready to go. So let's go. bit there. Alright, well, I just got too thin, so I had to stop it, and I'll just cut it out manually with a handsaw, just so I don't ruin the part. But I'm really happy with that, how that turned out. So I'll just finish it off, and then we'll get to see the final result. Alright, there it is. For some reason I left a little chip there in the middle, but that's easily removed. So yeah, but overall it turned out really well. I like it. I think I'll leave it with this bottom piece on here, just so, you know, because I like the machine marks in there. Alright, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more things like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.